Hey contractors, in this video, explore the top 7 project management software for custom home builder. Every home you build comes with unique challenges, multiple subcontractors, client changes, budget updates, and deadlines. Without the right system, even experienced builders struggle. Project management software helps builders streamline schedules, track budgets, and centralize communication, keeping teams and clients aligned from start to finish. When choosing software, look for tools built specifically for builders. You need automation, mobility, and integration, not just another project tracker. 123Works is the all-in-one solution designed specifically for small and medium-sized custom home builders. It combines estimating, scheduling, budgeting, client communication, and document sharing, all under one cloud-based platform. Procore is a good choice for larger contractors who handle complex, multi-site projects. But it can be overwhelming and expensive for smaller builders. Buildertrend is for remodelers and custom home builders, specially for client communication. It keeps clients updated with live schedules. Co-Construct simplifies budgeting, selections, and communication, though it's now part of Buildertrend, so pricing and updates vary. BuildsAct gives smaller builders and remodelers a balance between estimating and project control. It's simple to use, integrates with suppliers. JobNimbus stands out by combining CRM and project management, a good fit for builders or specialty contractors who want to track leads and jobs in one place. FieldWire is for field teams who need to access plans, track tasks, and update progress directly from their phones or tablets. With 123Works, builders save hours every week, improve client satisfaction, and reduce costly delays. It's not just project management, it's smarter construction management. Builders using 123Works report measurable improvements, faster approvals, fewer disputes, and stronger profit margins, project after project. The best software depends on your needs. Identify where your team struggles most, whether it's communication, scheduling, and choose a platform that solves your problems. Ready to simplify your projects and save hours each week? Visit 123works.com or book your free demo today to see how it helps custom home builders deliver projects on time, on budget, and stress-free. We appreciate your time. Follow us for more builder insights and software solutions that help you grow.